The fire hydrant. It is an everyday object, standing around on the sidewalk as people pass by with their pets. It is used to put out big fires, and sometimes cars that drift by seem to have a strong attraction for it. Whoops! These are some of the images that we think about when we hear the words fire hydrant, right?
There is more to the fire hydrant than meets the eye. Extended not too far beneath the massive concrete you're standing on lies a connection of pipes that you never thought existed. To a first-time onlooker, the connection of pipes seemed to be like a never-ending maze. It has many different connections, and one of which is very important, known as the main.
Fire hydrants are different within the US and across the globe. In the US, the main differences include the color of the fire hydrants and the barrel type, which are either wet or dry barrel types. In Portland, the fire hydrants are dry barrels due to the climate experienced in cold temperatures. Dry barrels have their valves sitting below the frost line. Thus, at freezing temperatures, the barrel is not at risk for expansion since it does not house water within the barrel.
The colors distinguish the different amount of gallons per minute of flow that the hydrant has. Blue hydrants have high pressure, orange are standard, red are private, and black are blow-off valves. Fire hydrants are not only used to put out fires, but also they are used for maintaining water quality. This is a process called unidirectional flushing, which involves flushing the main to preserve the water quality in the pipe system.
Fire hydrants are checked regularly, and they can last a very long time. Portland started seeing fire hydrants in 1864, long before municipal water, and there are still a few from that era, made by Long and Scott. Older fire hydrants that date back to the 1900s remain intact and are still in working condition. Along with the fire hydrants, the mains that they are connected to are old as well, showing the diligence needed to maintain the entire structure. Now that you are more aware of fire hydrants and how they are structured, it is important to know that they are carefully maintained for proper functioning at all times. The next time you walk by a fire hydrant, think of it being like the tip of an iceberg, in which the top of the hydrant visible to the eye only accounts for 10% of the whole structure. The 90% resides underground, out of sight, which is the maze of pipes that deliver fresh and clean water to you every day.
Thank you, Portland Water Bureau.